Welcome, new investors. My goal today is to give you a clear, simple starting point so you can understand the basics before diving deeper. I'm going to walk you through 3 types of funds that beginners often use to dip their toes into investing. Number 1. These ETFs track the S&P 500, essentially the 500 largest US companies. They're often used as a core building block because they offer broad diversification. These include Vanguard's, iShares, and State Street's ETFs, and those ticker symbols are VOO, IVV, and SPY. Number 2. Growth ETFs focus on companies expected to expand faster than the overall market. They can be more volatile, but they're popular for long-term investors. They include Vanguard's, Charles Schwab's, and Invesco's ETFs. Those ticker symbols are VUG, SCHG, and QQQM. And finally, number 3, these ETFs focus on companies that consistently pay dividends. They're often used for an income and stability, especially as investors get older. It's also a nice way to gain some capital appreciation while also receiving interest in those funds. They include Charles Schwab's, and Vanguard has 2, one for high yield interest and the other dividend appreciation. Those ticker symbols are SCHD, VYM, and VIG. How much you put into each category can vary depending on your age, risk tolerance, and goals. Younger investors often lean more toward growth, while older investors may prefer more dividend or broad market exposure. This video is for educational purposes only and is not personalized financial advice. Always consider speaking with a financial professional about your specific situation. If you found any of this helpful, hit subscribe and let me know what topic you want next.